are in Gudauri. This is a little higher altitude. It's full of clouds. Change our car because of the road condition. The bus will not go anymore. So now we have a 7-seater van. We'll go about 40 minutes from here and we will reach our final destination. So enjoy the road. So one more small information. It's a right-hand drive. Look. But we are going towards the right side of the road, that is same as UAE. We started around 9:30. We had small break for the lunch and everything, but it's almost around 3:30 right now. Still half an hour till we reach there. My suggestion, if you can, stay in Gudauri. There are very good hotels. Stay there and then come over.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play and you're fun and you always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium.
What's your name?
Power.
Pavel. You study?
Bulgaria.
You study? You don't? How much? It's 3 o'clock in the night and look at the crowd. This bridge never sleeps. If you're in Georgia, never miss it. There's a live music behind me. You might not be hearing me clearly, but see this.
Oh baby, I love